Are you over 40 and not exactly a tech wizard, but looking for a way to start a side hustle online? The good news is, with the rise of AI, you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. In this video, I'll share some actionable tips on how you can leverage AI to build an online business, even if you're not tech savvy. Whether you're just looking to supplement your current income or turn this into a full-time gig, these tips will get you up and running in no time. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to use AI writing tools for freelance content creation. If you're good with words but not an expert in marketing or technical writing, AI-powered writing tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can really help you. These tools can help you write blog posts, product descriptions, or even social media content for other businesses. You can provide the ideas, and the AI can polish it up for you. For example, you could offer blog writing services to small businesses. Many companies don't have the time to manage their blogs, so they hire freelancers. You can use AI tools to speed up your writing process and improve the quality of your own work. This saves you both time while still providing value to your clients. Once you get the hang of it, you can even expand to managing entire content calendars for different clients. You can offer packages like free blog posts per month and upsell additional services like email newsletters. AI makes it easier for you to meet deadlines and consistently deliver high quality work. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to launch an AI-powered digital product business. If you have knowledge in a specific field, you can create digital products like ebooks, e-guides, or even online courses using AI tools. You don't have to write everything from scratch. AI can help you generate ideas, create the outlines, and even fill in content based on your expertise and your knowledge. Let's say you've spent years working in the finance industry. You can use AI to create an ebook on budgeting or investing for beginners. You simply input your main points and the AI can help expand on them, ensuring that your ideas are clear and well structured. You can then sell this book on platforms like Gumroad or Amazon, or even on your own website. Now, to help you take it a step further, you could also create an AI-assisted online course, combining your videos with AI-generated text content or even quizzes. AI helps with content creation, freeing up your time to focus on marketing and engaging with your audience. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to offer AI-powered social media management. AI tools like Canva and Lumen 5 can help you to create eye-catching social media graphics and videos very easily. You don't need to be a graphic designer to offer social media management services. These tools simplify the process and enable you to manage social accounts for clients in any different niche. I recommend that you start by offering to manage social media for small local businesses or even other entrepreneurs. You can use AI to generate posts, schedule them, and even respond to common inquiries. For example, Canva allows you to create professional graphics in just minutes by using drag and drop templates, and Lumen 5 turns blog posts into highly engaging social media videos. Over time, you can expand your offerings by utilizing AI analytics tools to track and improve the performance of your clients' social media campaigns. I suggest that you charge a retainer fee for ongoing management and scale your services as your client base begins to grow. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to leverage AI to create and sell custom merchandise. Did you know that you can use AI tools to create unique designs for print-on-demand merchandise? Tools like Midjourney or Adobe Firefly can generate stunning artwork with very simple prompts. Once the designs are ready, you can then sell them on platforms like Redbubble or Etsy. For instance, you could use an AI art generator to create designs based on trending topics on niches like motivational quotes or pet lovers gear. After uploading them to print-on-demand platforms, you don't have to worry about any inventory or shipping the platform. The platform will handle all of that for you. you just simply collect your earnings. Now, to help you increase your sales, you could run targeted ads on social media or collaborate with other influencers in your niche. AI makes the creative process much easier and helps you to scale your efforts far more efficiently. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to start an AI-assisted podcast. Podcasts are booming right now, and AI can make the process easier, even if you don't have radio-ready voice talent. Tools like Descript can help you edit your episodes very quickly, while AI-generated voiceovers can handle narration or intros if they are needed. If you've got expertise or a passion in a specific topic, I recommend that you start a podcast around that topic. AI can help transcribe interviews, generate episode summaries, and even create marketing clips for social media. For example, if you love cooking, you could start a recipe podcast using AI to help with script writing and the promotion. I don't recommend you forget to monetize. You can also use affiliate marketing or promote your own courses and resources. As your audience starts to grow, AI can help to streamline your workflow so you can produce content much more consistently. Let me now give you tip number 6, which is to automate dropshipping with AI tools. Dropshipping is another great online side hustle, and with AI tools like Oberlo and AutoDS, you can automate much of the process. These platforms help you find trending products, manage orders, and even communicate with suppliers, saving you a lot of time and a lot of hassle. For example, you could set up an online store using Shopify and use AI to manage product listings and customer service. Once your store is set up, AI chatbots can help answer common customer questions, reducing the amount of time that you need to spend managing your online store. Now, to help you optimize your profits, you can also use AI analytics tools to monitor trends, track customer behavior, and adjust your inventory. This gives you an edge over your competitors and lets you scale your business without needing to be hands-on 24/7. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to use AI for email marketing campaigns. Email marketing is still one of the most effective ways to grow an online business, and AI can help you to create personalized campaigns with ease. Tools like MailChimp or GetResponse and ActiveCampaign use AI to suggest subject lines, optimize send times, and even create automated email flows. You can offer email marketing services to small businesses who want to engage their customers but don't know where to start. I recommend that you use AI to write and schedule emails based on your audience behavior. For example, you could create a welcome sequence that introduces new subscribers to a business's services. By taking advantage of AI's ability to personalize content and predict customer behavior, you'll help other businesses achieve better results and increase their email open and click-through rates, which translates to higher revenue for them and more business for you. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to provide AI-powered customer support. With AI chatbots and virtual assistants, you can offer customer support services to online businesses without needing a large team. AI tools like Zendesk or Drift can handle basic customer inquiries while you oversee the more complex cases. I recommend that you start by offering customer support services to e-commerce businesses. You can set up AI-powered chatbots that handle common issues like order statuses, product information, and return policies. For more complicated queries, the AI can pass them on to you, allowing you to work smarter, not harder. As you scale, you can offer a package that includes setting up and managing these AI tools, offering 24/7 support without having to be available all around the clock. Businesses will pay a premium for this, especially as it frees them up to focus more on their growth. Let me now give you tip number 9, which is to create AI-powered voiceover services. If you have a clear speaking voice, you can use AI voice tools like Mirth or Well Said Labs to enhance and polish your recordings, or even create AI-generated voiceovers. This is a perfect opportunity for those looking to offer voiceover services for videos, podcasts, or audiobooks, without needing expensive recording equipment. For example, you could offer narration services for YouTube channels or e-learning courses. You can record your voice and use AI to refine it, ensuring professional quality sound. If you prefer, AI-generated voices can narrate content for you, saving you time while still delivering high-quality results. Now, to help you increase your income, I recommend that you offer voiceover packages based on the length or complexity of the script. As AI improves your voiceover process, you can handle more clients and deliver faster turnaround times, creating a highly profitable online side hustle. Now, the next thing to do, click the link in the description box below this video and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com to explore our comprehensive online training courses and resources. They're perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and click the link below now to find out more. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.